finding the list price. A store is having a 60% off sale. The sale price of an item, so this is the sale price of an item, is $125. What is the list price? So I know the discount rate and I know the sale price, but I need to find the list price. What is the item being offered for? So let's see. I can take the formula that we have, which was the new minus old over old times 100. So I might want to use this formula, which is the list price is 1 minus the discount rate, and that'll give you the sale price. Because, and that was from a couple pages back, right there. The list price times 1 minus the discount rate equals the sale price. That formula, that formula will help us solve this problem. So the list price, I do not know. So I can put in an X for it, or I can just leave it as the word list. So I might say list times 1 minus discount rate, so that's going to be 60% equals sale. Oops. And the sale price we know is $125. All right, so we're going to see what we can do inside the parentheses. So I'll take 1 minus 60%, and remember you can just convert that 60% into a 0.6 and do 1 minus 0.6, perfectly fine. And then I'll do an equals, so I get 0.4. So I'll have list times 0.4 equals 125. And what I want is to know the list price by itself. So since these two are being multiplied, I will undo it by dividing both sides by a 0.4. The 0.4s here undo and reduce down to a 1. And that leaves me with a list price of 125 divided by 0.4. Now I know we can type in the 0.4 very easily, but I want to show you how you can use the answer button as much as possible because it's going to help us a lot in our following sections. So I'll just keep modeling how we can do that. The 0.4 is sitting right there on my calculator, and I need to do 125 divided by that 0.4, so then I'll do second and then that minus button to get answer and push equals, and then I have $312.50. Now to check myself, which I really want to do, so first I'll write out my answer. The list price is $312.50. And what I want to think about is the store is having a 60% off sale. The sale price is $125. So if I start with my list price, $312.50, and I take 60% off, that means 40% on, so that's going to be 0.4 times my list price. If I do 312 times 0.4, that gives me 125, so I can double check it that way. Yours should always work in either direction if you did it correctly. All right. Jamie found a receipt for an MP3 player for $127.59, tax included. If the sales tax rate is 8.765%, what was the selling price of the MP3 player? Round to the nearest cent.